Hi, to pair your Sony LinkBuds with Android phone, as a first step, open the case by pressing this button in the middle like that and make sure that your headphones are charged. So now just take a look at its back part, and here you'll find the button as well, which we need to hold till this indicator will be blinking blue. So let's hold the button and wait. And now it is blinking, so we need to open settings on the phone. Then go in the Bluetooth section, and here as a first step, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. After that, just take a look at this tab, available devices. Here you should see your LinkBuds. Just tap them to select. Wait a couple of seconds, and now we need to confirm that we are pairing this device. Just tap the pair button, and now they are connected because you can see it in the list of paired devices and the status connected for calls and audio. And also, this indicator is not blinking anymore. To disconnect them, just tap the settings icon here near the name of your device and select the option to unpair. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.